Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a business bank account with Chase, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering the necessary documents for opening a business bank account. You'll need your employer identification number, or EIN. If you don't have an EIN, be prepared to provide your social security number. Prepare your business formation documents, like articles of incorporation or a partnership agreement. Bring your business license and permits relevant to your industry. Make sure you have a valid form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Visit the official Chase website or find a local Chase branch to start your application. Select the type of business account that best suits your needs, such as a checking or savings account. Fill out the online application with accurate business information, including your business name and type. Provide your legal business address and contact information during the application process. If you're applying in person, inform the bank representative that you wish to open a business account. Once you've submitted the application, Chase may require a deposit to activate the account. Ask about any minimum balance requirements and monthly fees associated with your account choice. After your application is approved, you'll receive your account number and routing number. Set up online banking for easy account management. Finally, order checks and a debit card linked to your new account for business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.